Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Sleep Lecture channel. Settle in, get comfortable, and let your body begin to unwind. Tonight we are embarking on a very special journey together. A journey down a long, winding road nestled deep within a quiet, forgotten valley. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you wish, and allow my voice to be your guide. Let go of the day's worries, release the tension from your shoulders, and simply be present in this moment. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, except right here, ready for a peaceful drift into slumber. Our journey begins at twilight. The sky above is a canvas of deep indigo and soft violet, with the first shy stars beginning to glitter like scattered diamonds. We find ourselves at the entrance to a road that locals sometimes call the Whispering Way. It's not cursed with anything frightening, but rather blessed with an ancient, profound tranquility that quiets the mind and soothes the soul. The air here is different, cool, clean, and filled with the gentle, earthy scent of damp soil and night-blooming jasmine. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with this serene night air. And as you exhale, imagine you are releasing any lingering thoughts, letting them float away like dandelion seeds on a gentle breeze. Another deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed, sinking comfortably into your bed. As we take our first steps onto this road, we notice it's not paved with harsh asphalt, but with smooth, dark river stones that have been worn down over centuries. They feel solid and grounding beneath our feet. On either side of the road, ancient oak trees stand like gentle, sleeping giants. Their massive branches reach up and over the road, forming a natural, protective canopy. Moonlight filters through the leaves, dappling the path ahead with shifting patterns of silver and shadow. It's a living, breathing tunnel of peace. Listen closely. Can you hear the sound of the wind? It's not a harsh, rushing wind, but a soft, melodic whisper as it weaves through the countless leaves of the oak trees. It's a sound that has been repeating for thousands of years, a lullaby created by nature itself. It seems to whisper words of comfort, telling you to rest, to let go, to be at peace. Each rustle of the leaves is a gentle reminder to relax your mind. As we walk further, the sounds of the distant world fade away completely. There are no cars, no sirens, no busy noises. The only sounds are the soft whisper of the leaves, the faint rhythmic chirping of crickets in the tall grass, and the gentle crunch of our footsteps on the smooth stones. It's a symphony of serenity, composed just for you. With every step, you feel more and more peaceful, more and more sleepy. The rhythm of our walk is slow and steady, like a gentle rocking motion, lulling you deeper into a state of calm. Look to the side of the road. In the soft, grassy verges, you can see tiny points of light blinking on and off. They are fireflies, dancing in the twilight. They move slowly, lazily, tracing gentle arcs in the air with their soft green-gold light. They aren't in a hurry. They are simply existing, glowing, and adding to the magic of this enchanted place. Watch their soft, rhythmic blinking, on and off, on and off. Let your eyelids grow heavy as you watch their gentle, hypnotic dance. Each blink is a gentle invitation to close your eyes and drift. The road begins to curve gently to the left. As we round the bend, a new scent joins the air. It's the sweet, calming fragrance of lavender, drifting from a field that borders the road. The field is a sea of deep purple under the moonlight, and the aroma is incredibly soothing. It's a scent known for its ability to promote deep and restful sleep. Breathe it in deeply. Imagine that calming fragrance filling your senses, washing over you, carrying away any last remnants of stress. Each breath of lavender-scented air makes you feel more tranquil, more ready for sleep. We continue our slow, peaceful walk. The canopy of oak leaves above is so thick in places that we are walking in near darkness. A comfortable, safe darkness. The only light comes from the moonbeams that find their way through, and the gentle glow of the fireflies. It feels like being in a cozy, protective cocoon. In this safe and peaceful space, you can allow yourself to completely let go. There is nothing to fear here. You are safe. You are secure. You are surrounded by peace. Ahead we hear a new sound, a gentle trickling murmur. As we draw closer, we see a small, clear stream crossing under the road through an old stone culvert. We pause here for a moment. The water is so clear you can see the smooth gray pebbles on the stream bed, even in the moonlight. The sound of the water is constant, soothing, and incredibly relaxing. It's a sound of pure, unending tranquility. Listen to the gentle gurgle and flow of the water as it makes its way onward, just as you are making your way toward a deep and restorative sleep. The water flows without effort, and you too can let go and flow effortlessly into your dreams. As we continue on our journey, notice how heavy your limbs feel. A pleasant, warm heaviness spreads from your toes all the way up to your fingertips. Your arms and legs feel wonderfully weighted down, content to be still. Your breathing is slow, deep, and even. Your mind, once busy, is now quiet and calm. The gentle whispers of the wind, the soft chirping of the crickets, and the memory of the trickling stream all blend into a perfect lullaby for your slumber. The road ahead seems to stretch on into the soft, misty darkness. It doesn't matter where it leads. The journey itself is the destination. This walk is about finding that place of perfect stillness within you. This cursed road, this whispering way, is your personal sanctuary tonight. A place you can return to in your mind whenever you need to find peace and quiet. But for now, your journey is nearing its end. You don't need to walk any further. You can simply allow yourself to stop, to rest, and to drift off completely. Let my voice begin to fade as you sink deeper and deeper into comfort. The images of the moonlit road, the ancient trees, the dancing fireflies, and the gentle stream will stay with you as you fall asleep, guiding you into wonderful, peaceful dreams. You are safe, you are relaxed, and you are ready for a deep, healing sleep. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you for joining the sleep lecture. We'll be here for you again next time. Don't forget to follow so you never miss a chance to rest with us. Sweet dreams.